Today we talk solving linear equations with rational coefficients. Welcome to math class. Here's the example we will work with. I'm going to solve right through it. Hope you all follow along. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try and answer them the best I can. So for me, I like to have variables, which is x on the left and everything else on the right. And I solve as I go to make it easier. So if you can't follow that, just let me know and I'll show you. So since I have a 5 over here, I want to move it over there to the right-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And I'm going to put this 5 over here so I can solve through it, right? And then I rewrite. Every time I do something I rewrite, that's personal preference, not required. And then minus 7 or negative 7 minus 5. So negative 7 is to the left of 0, and then minus 5 is less or to the left 5 more units, so that's negative 12. So negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12 or minus 12. So you get it. Because if you're having this conversation, we already understand. And then the next thing I want to do is move my 4x to the left-hand side of my equal sign. So in order to do that, since there is no sign, it's assumed to be positive, so I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So for me, so 2x minus 4x is going to give me negative 2x. Well, I write it in black, so you can keep up. All right, now I have to finish solving this, and this is how I'm going to do it. So I have negative 2x and negative 12, and what I'm going to do, because I need to get x by itself, because that's always the goal, is I'm going to then divide by a negative 2 on both sides. And what's going to happen when you divide a negative by a negative, you get a resulting positive. So I'm going to have these cancel out. So it's going to be x equals and negative 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And since it's a negative, it's still going to turn into a positive as well. So x is 6. Now we check our work. So what I usually do is, in another color, well, here we go, blue. So another color, we'll rewrite our problem. And everywhere our variable existed, we will replace it with what we solved x to be. So 2 times 6 plus 5 equals 4 times 6 minus 7. And that's our original problem, because there it is. So following order of operations on each side of the equation or equal sign. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5, which we know is 17, equals, and then 4 times 6 is 24 minus 7. 24 minus 7 is also 17. So we know that our